हॅलो एव्हरीवन, ग्लोबल ऑनलाईन मराठीमध्ये आपलं मनापासून स्वागत. आपल्याला माहीतच आहे की MS सेट एक्झामला जस्ट 1 महिना राहिला आहे. त्यामुळे आपल्याला वेळ वाया घालवून चालणार नाही. त्यासाठी आम्ही आपल्यासाठी डिफरंट युनिटवर व्हिडिओ बनवत आहोत, जे की तुम्हाला येणाऱ्या एक्झाममध्ये उपयोगी पडतील. आजच्या या व्हिडिओमध्ये मी मार्केटिंग मॅनेजमेंटचे काही इम्पॉर्टंट MCQ टाकले आहेत, जे की तुम्हाला येणाऱ्या एक्झाममध्ये मॅक्झिमम मार्क्स स्कोर करण्यासाठी हेल्प करतील. सो डू वॉच इट. आजचा लेक्चर सुरू करण्याआधी मी आपल्याला सांगू इच्छिते की ग्लोबल ऑनलाईन युनिव्हर्सिटीने आपल्यासाठी कॉमर्स फुल सिलेबस कोर्स आणला आहे, ज्याच्यात आपल्याला 25 मॉक टेस्ट भेटतील, प्रिव्हियस इयर क्वेश्चन पेपर टेस्ट विथ द डिटेल एक्सप्लेनेशन भेटतील, फुल सिलेबस टेस्ट, फुल युनिट नोट्स मराठी आणि इंग्लिश अशा दोन्ही लँग्वेजमध्ये भेटतील, 200+ व्हिडिओ लेक्चर्स मराठी आणि इंग्लिश असं 2 लँग्वेजचं कॉम्बिनेशन आहे आणि पर्सनल अटेन्शन पण भेटेल. टू जॉइन डाउनलोड अवर ॲप ग्लोबल ऑनलाईन युनिव्हर्सिटी और कॉन्टॅक्ट ऑन बिलो गिवन नंबर. चला तर मग आजच्या लेक्चरला सुरुवात करू. नवीन उत्पादन विकास प्रक्रियेच्या पहिल्या टप्प्यात कंपनी कोणत्या बाजारात प्रवेश करू इच्छित आहे हे ठरवते. याला काय म्हणून ओळखले जाते? आणि ऑप्शन्स आहेत संधी ओळख, चाचणी, परिचय आणि लास्ट ऑप्शन आहे जीवनचक्र व्यवस्थापन. The correct answer for this question will be option number A. In the first stage of a new product development process, the company determines which market it wants to enter. This is known as opportunity identification. Opportunity identification can turn be defined as the cognitive process or process through which individuals conclude that they have identified an opportunity. It helps to check the chance of succeeding in the particular choice of a venture open to an individual through his experience. उच्च प्रास्ताविक किमतीसह उत्पादन सादर करण्याच्या धोरणाला म्हणतात आणि ऑप्शन्स आहेत प्रवेश धोरण, स्कीमिंग धोरण, खेचण्याची रणनीती आणि पुश स्ट्रॅटेजी. The correct answer for this question will be option number B. The strategy for introducing a product with a high introductory price is called skimming strategy. Here the skimming strategy is a pricing strategy. It is a strategy where the marketers set a relatively high initial price of a product or services and then lower the price over a time. Next question आहे उत्पादनाची किंमत संबंधित असणे आवश्यक आहे आणि ऑप्शन्स आहेत उपयोगिता किंवा समाधान ते खरेदीदारांना देते, विक्रेते किती नफा मिळवू शकतात, पर्यायाची उपलब्धता आणि वरीलपैकी नाही. Correct answer for this question is option number A. The price of product must be relevant to utility or satisfaction that deliver to buyers. Next question आहे सामाजिक विपणन संकल्पनेनुसार ग्राहकांना दीर्घकाळासाठी कोणत्या गरजा आणि इच्छा चांगल्या आहेत हे ठरवण्यात सर्वात महत्त्वाचे कोण आहे? आणि ऑप्शन्स आहेत संस्थाच, वैयक्तिक ग्राहक, नियामक संस्था, वरीलपैकी नाही. The correct answer for this question is option number A. Philip Kotler defined it as a sociological marketing concept hold that organization task is to determine the needs, want and interests of a target market and to deliver the desired satisfaction more effectively and efficiently than competitors. Next question आहे एक बाजार सरासरी धोरण आहे ज्यामध्ये कंपनी एक उत्पादन एक विभाग ड्रूम फॉलो करते आणि ऑप्शन्स आहे एकाग्र विपणन, बाजार स्थिती, लक्ष्य विपणन यापैकी काहीही नाही. Correct answer for this question is option number A. Concentrated marketing is a market average strategy in which company follows one product, one segment group. A marketing segmentation strategy in which the firm concentrates its entire efforts and resources on serving one segment of the product is also called niche marketing. कोणत्या ग्राहक गटाच्या विविध गरजा यावर लक्ष केंद्रित करणे समाविष्ट आहे आणि ऑप्शन्स आहेत मार्केट स्पेशलायझेशन, निवडक विशेषणता, उत्पादन विशेषीकरण यापैकी काहीही नाही. The correct answer for this question is option number A. Market specialization involve concentrating on different needs of a customer group. The marketer deals with verifying product in the same product line. It adopts the product to sell to several different market segments. The marketer deals with one specific market only. He tries to meet many needs of a particular customer group. Next question आहे विपणनाची विनिमय संकल्पना कोणत्या आणि कोणत्या दरम्यान घडते आणि ऑप्शन्स आहेत विक्रेता, खरेदीदार, ग्राहक आणि ग्राहक, ग्राहक आणि खरेदीदार आणि खरेदीदार आणि खरेदीदार. The correct answer is option number A. The exchange concept of marketing take place between seller and buyer. The marketing exchange is what happens anytime two or more people trade goods or services. In marketing theory, every exchange is supposed to product utility, which means the value of what you trade is less than the value of what you receive from the trade. Here the next question is, the concept of segmentation is important because it implies an understanding that customers are the same, do not offer homogeneous and heterogeneous. Here the correct answer for this question is option number C. The concept of segmentation is important because it implied an understanding that customers are homogeneous. Here the next question is, why the segmentation approach to the market is more efficient than the mass market approach? And the options are, because money is spent only on those whom the manager has determined are potential customers, because money is spent on both customer and non-customers evenly, because customers are homogeneous, because consumers' tastes are all the same. The answer for this question is option number A, because money is spent only on those whom the manager has determined are potential customers. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आहे, तुम्ही मार्केटिंग आणि विक्रीमध्ये फरक कसा करता? आणि ऑप्शन्स आहे ते एक आणि समान आहेत. मार्केटिंग हा विक्रीचा एक भाग आहे. विक्री हा विपणनाचा एक भाग आहे आणि वरीलपैकी नाही. Correct answer for this question is option number C. Selling is a part of marketing. Now what is selling? Selling refers to creating product and selling them to the customer. It revolves around the needs and the interests of the seller. And marketing refer to the finding wants of a people or a customer and fill them. It revolves around the need and the interest of consumers. And here the selling is a part of marketing. Marketing is the big concept in which the selling is small concept. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आहे, अर्थपूर्ण ग्राहक अटीमध्ये सांगितलेल्या कल्पनेची सविस्तर आकृती आहे आणि ऑप्शन्स आहेत उत्पादनाची कल्पना, उत्पादनाची प्रतिमा, उत्पादनाची संकल्पना आणि उत्पादन वैशिष्ट्ये. The correct answer for this question is option number C, that is product concept. Product concept is a detailed version of an idea stated in meaningful consumer's term. Product image is a way consumers perceive an actual or a potential product. Concept testing refers to the testing new product concept with a group of target consumers. The next question is, खालीलपैकी कोणती किंमत समायोजन धोरण नाही? आणि ऑप्शन्स आहेत विभागलेली किंमत, प्रचारात्मक किंमत, मुक्त नमुने आणि भौगोलिक किंमत. The correct answer is option number C, free samples. Companies must adjust their basic price to account for the differences in a customers and situations. There are 7 price adjustment strategy: discount and allowance pricing, segmented pricing, psychological pricing, promotional pricing, geographical pricing, dynamic pricing, and international pricing. Where there is free sample is not a price adjustment strategy. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आहे, पीटर डकरच्या मते व्यवसायाचा फोकस नाही, पण ऑप्शन्स आहेत ग्राहक, नफा, नफा ग्राहक, नफा नवीन बाजार, नवीन बाजारपेठ आणि ग्राहक. The correct answer for this question is option number B. According to Peter Drucker, the focus of business is not profit but customers. The next question is differentiation in pricing for various geographical customer, and options are price skimming, psychological pricing, price variation and geographical pricing. The correct answer for this question is option number D. Differentiation in pricing for various geographical customers are geographical pricing. Now, the geographical pricing is a practice in which the same goods and services are priced differently based on biased geographic location. The difference in a price might be based on shipping costs, the tax which location charges, or the amount people in the location are willing to pay. Next question is NPD stands for, and the options are New Product Department, National Production Division, New Product Development, and none of the above. The correct answer for this question is option number C. NPD stands for New Product Development. In business and engineering, new product development covers the complete process of bringing a new product to the market, renewing an existing product, or introducing a product in a new market. A central aspect of NPD is product design along with the various business considerations. कोणत्यामध्ये कंपनी स्वतःला आकार किंवा अस्तित्वातील वर्षांची संख्या यासारख्या गुणधर्मावर स्थान देते, आणि ऑप्शन्स आहेत लाभाची स्थिती, विशेषता स्थिती, गुणवत्ता किंवा किमतीची स्थिती आणि वरीलपैकी नाही. The correct answer for this question is option number B. In attribute positioning, company position itself on attributes such as a size or a number of a year in existence. The targeting and development of a product or a services attribute that match the need and the requirement of our customers in the specific market segments. The match of a attribute to the needs and the want of our customers with the market segments. Next question is, what is screening new product idea in order to spot good idea and drop poor one as soon as possible? And the options are idea generation, concept development and testing, idea screening, and brainstorming. The correct answer for this question is option number C. Idea screening is a screening new product idea in order to spot good idea and drop poor one as soon as possible. Idea screening is a stage in a new product development process which follow the idea generation. It often involves use of scrolling models, checklist, or a personal judgment, and is based on information from experience and market research. The next question आहे, देवाणघेवाणासाठी आवश्यक अटी आहेत आणि ऑप्शन्स आहेत कमीत कमी 2 पक्ष सहभागी असणे आवश्यक आहे, प्रत्येक पक्षात असे काहीतरी असले पाहिजे जे दुसऱ्याला आवडते, दोन्ही अ आणि ब वरीलपैकी नाही. The correct answer for this question is option number C, both A and B. That is, at least two parties must be involved and each party must have something that interests the other. These are the conditions which is necessary for the exchange. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आहे, बाजारात नवीन उत्पादन सादर करणे नवीन उत्पादन विकास प्रक्रियेच्या कोणत्या टप्प्यात होते? आणि ऑप्शन्स आहेत व्यापारीकरण, चाचणी विपणन, विपणन धोरण, उत्पादन विकास. करेक्ट आन्सर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन इज ऑप्शन नंबर ए, that is commercialization. Commercialization is a process or a cycle of introducing new product or a production method into the market. In this stage, the product is launched, advertised, and promotional activity begins and increase heavily and distribution pipeline is filled with the product. Next question is, choosing a price based upon its a short-term effect on current profit, cash flow, or return on investment reflect which of the following pricing objective? And the options are current profit maximization, product quality leadership, market share leadership, and survival. The correct answer is option number A, current profit maximization. A price setting objective in which organizations set a price for a product that will give a maximum profit, cash flow, or a return on an investment in the short term without regret to long run performance.